Hi guys, welcome to your crochet guide. Today we are going to be learning how to do a magic knot, which is basically how to join two pieces of yarn that you want to combine into one yarn skein. Sometimes you have to cut your yarn if it's like too tangled and you can't untangle it, you've got to cut it, but then you want to reattach the yarn. So this is how you do it. You get the two pieces side by side like this. Then you get the first piece. You get them to that position where one is on top of the other. Then you grab the tail of this one, you put it under the first one here. Then you want to do a simple knot. So you're just going to knot it. So I'm doing a very normal knot that we do every day. And I'm going to pull. And I'm just going to repeat that in the other side. So I'm going to get the other side under this one. And I'm going to do a knot. So like that. And I pull the knot to make it very tight. I need it to be so tight on each side. So now you've got a knot here and a knot here. So you grab the actual original yarn pieces and you just pull on them. And when you pull on both of them, so like I'm pulling on both of them like that. And I'm going to pull to make it really tight. And you will find out that these pieces, the two knots, are now next to each other. So I'm going to grab my scissors. And I'm going to cut these extra pieces right here to the very top. And this is the magic knot. This is going to be scrap yarn. And now the yarn is joined. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe and like. And see you next time.